Hello doctors, Namaste, welcome to Career 360. Now that the NEET PG results have come, what we are trying to do now is to go state by state and tell you what are the chances that you have of getting into a decent medical college of a branch of your choice. So what now we're going to discuss is, Haryana. We just finished the Karnataka part. We're now going to discuss Haryana. Please, if you want any other state, please keep telling us. We're going to keep doing these videos over the next 2 days, state-wise, so that you have better understanding of what you can expect when you go for admission process. Now, if you have any more questions, there is a phone number that is there. Please message us, call us up, and we're more than happy to call you up, discuss with you and have a conversation with you to help you out to ensure that you get into the best college, right? But at this point in time, let us stick with the Haryana part of it. This video is all about Haryana and what are the chances that you have of getting into a decent college. Now, the Haryana, in all, what you have is about 402, government seats and 475 private seats. In all put together, you only have 877 PG seats as far as Haryana is concerned. So that's a low number, but the state also is small, possibly because of which these numbers come up. I think there is a need for Haryana to buckle up, is my opinion at this point in time, as a seat. But in all, you have 877. Like, compare it with, say, Karnataka, which is about 6,500 seats, right? And that is where I come from, that, I think there's a need for Haryana to add a few more seats across the board. But coming to this 877 seats, what we're giving now you here is the medical colleges that are there in Haryana and the closing rank of the best branch. The closing rank of the best branch, typically, which is a clinical branch that you have, which is, either medicine or radiology and those kind of things. So what you have is the closing rank of the best branch. Typically, it's radiodiagnosis or medicine, as you know, because clinical is what is more preferred by the students. And then you have the other branches. So at the ESIC Medical College in Faridabad, the highest closing rank is 481. So if you get anything above 500, it is difficult for you to get into ESIC Medical College Faridabad in MD in radiodiagnosis, because that's the most preferred branch and that's the highest closing rank, or rather lowest closing rank for this particular branch in this particular college. Then you have Pandit Bhagavad Dayal Sharma Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Rohtak, where it is 1726 and it is for dermatology or venerology and leprosy, right? At Maharaja Agrasen Medical College, Agroha, 14,222, MS General Surgery. Adesh Medical College in Kurukshetra, 16,000 rank, you get MD in General Medicine. SGT Medical College Hospital and Research Institute, Gurgaon, it is MD in Radiodiagnosis again at 16,649. Now in the same colleges, if you want to anyway join ASCC Medical College, what is the branch and at which rank you are likely to get into the college but may not be a branch of your choice? When you look at that, in MD in Biochemistry, at 1,29,385 also you got a seat in ESIC Medical College. And for MD Physiology, it's 1,36,985. For MD Anatomy, it's 2,02,946. For MD Microbiology, it's 2,02,237. And for MD in Community Medicine, it's 1,46,000. So very clearly, you will notice that some branches are so well preferred that it's extremely competitive. But when you keep going down, some of the branches don't have takers, because of which the merit goes for a toss. And even at 2 lakh rank, you are likely to get a seat. Now, the next bunch of colleges that we have is this NC Medical College and Hospital in Panipat. At 23,638, you get Obstetrics and Gynecology. General Hospital Sector, Panchkula, 33,413, and Diploma in Radiodiagnosis and Post. So, Radiodiagnosis, if you don't get the MD part of it, a lot of people prefer the Diploma also. So, again, you will see even Diploma in Radiodiagnosis being much in demand, which is where, again, students have taken that. Then you again have Civil Hospital, 39,414 rank, again Diploma in Radiodiagnosis. Shahid Hassan Khan Mewati Government Medical College in Nalhar, 43,326, and MD in Pathology. World College of Medical Sciences and Research, Jhajjar, 46,431, and Psychiatry. So this is the closing rank of the best branch that they have, and that's what we're talking about. Now, when you come down to the same college and talk of any branch that they want, you just want to join NC Medical College, at 58,391, you got MS in General Surgery. This is a bit surprising for me, but they got it. In the General Hospital in Panchkula, 1,18,517, you got Diploma in Family Medicine. And then you have this, at 1 lakh also you get something, at 1,76,000 also you get MD in Physiology, 87,403, Emergency Medicine. So you actually have everything coming in your way. Now the other bunch of colleges, at Civil Hospital in NIT Faridabad, 63,680 also you could get seat in gynecology and post MBBS. If you notice that in Haryana, a lot more diplomas are coming in as compared to MD and MS and all. So that's something which you should carefully observe, right? Then in District Civil Hospital in the Alba Colony in Hisar, At 66,459, you get Diploma in Paediatrics, post MBBS. Kalpana Chawla Government Medical Hospital, 67,290, you get Anesthesiology and post MBBS. And then at District Civil Hospital, at 74,308, you get Ophthalmology in post MBBS. So again, we're all talking of diplomas a lot more here. Now, here also, the highest rank at the same hospital is this, which is 1,18,212 for Diploma in Family Medicine, Physiology, and those kind of things. So you essentially see this, that you do have a fair chance of getting into a college if it's not of a branch of your choice. But if you're talking of branch of your choice, then it becomes slightly more competitive. Now, I told you in Haryana, you have in all 18 colleges, it needs to be improved because the number of seats is 877, which is nothing. And of these 877, you notice a lot more are diplomas, right? But let's coming back to the numbers. Civil Hospital in Gurugram, at 80,256, you get Ophthalmology post MBBS, again a diploma, right? BPS Government Medical College, 84,124, you get a Diploma in Family Medicine. Afia Civil Hospital in Delhi Albert Road, 92,451, you get Diploma in Gynecology post. And Civil Hospital Subhash Road, Rohtak, 93,151, you get Diploma in Ophthalmology post MBBS. So you very clearly see again a lot more diplomas coming in as compared to MD and MS, which happens in many other states, by the way. So one should be looking at that very closely. And here also, if you look at the closing rank of the lowest branch, even 1,73,000, you can actually get a seat in MD in Physiology in BPS Government Medical College of Women in Sonipat. Because of course it's a women-only college, so you might actually have lesser competition. But still, in such a huge population that you are dealing with, so much competition, you still will find great enough competition. And still, at 1,73,000 also, you can get a seat out here. So this is what we're talking of as far as Haryana is concerned. We'll keep doing a few more states as we move along. Keep tracking us. Keep asking us questions. You actually have a phone number out here where you can send us a WhatsApp message or even call us up, and we'll be happy to help you out. We may not be able to take all your calls, but we'll return your calls. That's a promise from our side. And if you need any more information, please write to us or comment below, and I'll be happy to do that also as we move along. Thank you so much. Namaste.